Hi, first graders. All right, we are going to be working on our spelling pretest today. So just do your best. Remember, it is okay if you don't know these words. That's no problem. We haven't studied them yet. We are just practicing. So make sure you have a piece of paper. You might have one that looks like this, or you might have a plain piece of paper. Both are fine. Well, we are going to work on our spelling pretest. And this week, our sound that we are working on is the sound that the letter I makes. All right, I can make two sounds. It's a vowel, so it can make two sounds. Who remembers one sound that the letter I makes? Yep, it can say its name. It can say I, like in words like ice. Right, but it can also make what we call a short sound. Do you remember what other sound it can make? It can say I. Right. Those are the sounds that are in our words this week. We have that I sound. All right, so let's work on our spelling pretest. We're going to do one together, and then you're going to sound out the rest of them. And then at the end, we'll just check and see. And it's okay if they're not spelled right. That is no problem. This is just a time for you to do your best. All right, make sure you're holding that pencil correctly. Remember, you can put the point up and then flip it around. That's an easier way to remember how to hold it. Or you can just use those fingers and pinch, 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 and then put your other finger underneath. All right, let's start by writing your name. Remember, names start with a big, tall capital. And then the rest of the letters should be lowercase. That's right. All right, remember you can push pause and take as much time as you need to. All right, let's go ahead and start. Push pause if you need some extra time, and you can always push play when you're ready to go. Number one, our first word this week is pin. Say that word. Pin. Right, like I put the pin on my shirt. Pin. All right, let's say the sounds that we hear together. I hear p, I, n. How many sounds is that? 3. If I hear 3 sounds, then how many letters do we need? 3. Good. If it helps you to make those marks to remember that it has 3 sounds, and so we need 3 letters, you can make those marks. All right, so the first sound in the word pin. I hear a p sound. Do you remember what letter says p? P, p. P. Good. Very nice. Let's do our next sound. P. I. What letter says I? I. Very good. All right, let's listen to the last one. P. I. N. Like no. What letter would that be? N. An N. There we go. P. I. N. I heard 3 sounds. Did we write 3 letters? Yes, we did. Very good. All right, let's move on to number 2. All right, the word is win. Say that word. Win. I hope my team can win the game. Win. Let's count the sounds together. W, I, N. How many sounds? 3. Good. So write the letters that you think make those sounds. So push pause and write the word win. Very nice. So we should have written the word win for number 2. Let's go to number 3. Our word is hit. Say that word. Hit. Good. I can hit the ball with the bat. Hit. So on number 3, sound out the word and write the letters you think are in the word hit. Push pause and write that word, and push play when you're ready to go. Good. Number 4 is sit. Sit. I like to sit in my nice comfy chair. Sit. Good. Say the sounds and write the letters that you think make the sounds in the word sit. Push pause and write the word and then push play when you're ready to go. All right, number 5. Our word for number 5 is miss. Miss. I miss getting to go outside when it's snowing. Miss. All right, say the sounds and then sound it out. Write the letters for the word miss. All right, number 6. Our word is kiss. I like when my mom gives me a kiss. Good night. Kiss. All right, say the sounds. Write the letters that make those sounds. Take your time. You can push pause and then push play when you're ready to go. All right, our last 2 are words that can be a little trickier. We're doing some sight words, and so we're going to just do our best. Number 7 is out. Out. Like I can go outside. Out. All right, say the sounds. Do your best. Try writing the letters that make the sounds in the word out. All right, and then our last one is the word up. Say that word. Up. Very good. I let go of the balloon and it went up in the sky. Up. All right, so say the sounds and write the letters you hear in the word up. All right, now I'm going to write the words. I just want you to check yours. You don't need to erase it. If you didn't spell it correctly, that's okay. You can just write the correct way to spell it up at the top, and then that is no problem. If you did get it right, pin, we did spell right. We can put a little smiley face next to it. And it is okay if you don't get these words correct today. This is called a pretest. It just means it's practice. We're just hearing the words today, so it is okay. All right, number 2, our word was win. I heard w, I, n, win. That's how we spell win. If you got it right, excellent. Put a little smiley face. If not, that is okay. You can just write the correct spelling up here at the top, like this, and then move on to the next one. All right, number 3, our word was hit. I heard it, hit. That's how we spell the word hit. H-I-T. If you got it right, nice work. Put a smiley face. If not, no big deal. Just write it up at the top. And then we can practice this week. All right, number 4 was the word sit. S, I, t. There's the word sit. S-I-T. Sit. If you got it right, you can put a smiley face. If not, no big deal. Just write it up at the top. No problem. All right, number 5 was the word miss. Miss. All right, let's sound it out. I heard I, s. Now those are the sounds I heard. Guess what? Here's the tricky part about miss. There's another S at the end. Huh, we don't even hear it. Those 2 S's just make one S sound, but it has 2 S's. M-I-S-S. Miss. Very nice. If you didn't get it right, that is okay. Just write it on top. If you did, put a little smiley face. All right. Number 6 was the word kiss. I heard k, I, s. And guess what? Miss and kiss are rhyming words. They have the same ending. So guess what else for kiss? It has two S's, just like miss. Miss, kiss, two S's. If you got it right, put a smile. If not, no big deal. Just write it up at the top. All right, 7 was the tricky one. This was the word out. Oh, this one was tricky. It has an ow sound. Did you hear that at the start of out? Ow. Yep. That ow sound is an O and a U. That OU together says ow. So we have ow, t, and that's our T. Out. O-U-T. That is a tricky word. We're going to keep practicing that ow sound at the start of out. If you didn't get it right, no big deal. Just write it up at the top. All right, the last one, we know these sounds. Up. We just heard 2 sounds. Up. P. That's it. The letter U and the letter P. Up. Very nice. Put a smiley face if you got it. Very nice. Some of these were tricky words today. In this little star, I want you to draw a smiley face. Because this pretest was tricky, we don't want it to make us feel bad. This pretest is just for us to start learning our words. So if you didn't get them right, that is okay. We're going to practice them this week, and you are going to do great with these words once you do a little bit of practicing. Great job today. Keep practicing your words this week.